This is a wow factor home. No detail was overlooked in this home's recent recreation. Absolutely stunning inside and out. This is an extraordinary stunning home adjacent to Omni Bedford Springs Golf and Spa Resort. Imagine the joy that comes from cooking up fabulous meals in the newly renovated dream kitchen as you gaze at the magnificent views of historic Bedford below. Architectural features and gorgeous hardwood floors coupled with fabulous designer touches add to the beauty throughout. This feels more like a private secluded resort with its park-like setting, in-ground pool/pool house and private guest retreat. Adding to the appeal of this home is the exceptional energy efficiency. Click on the storybook video link attached to really capture the true essence of this estate.